Looking to move your funds from Pocket Option to Binance the right way, this video gives you a full walkthrough to make it fast and error-free. Stay tuned and don't skip any steps. One wrong move can cost you. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Binance account, then click on the wallet icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Click on Funding, scroll down and pick the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like USDT, BTC, or ETH. Step 3. On the selected coin, click the three dots on the right and choose Deposit. Step 4. Binance will now show your deposit address. Copy that address. We'll need it in Pocket Option. Step 5. Now open Pocket Option, click Finance on the left-hand side, then select Withdrawal. Step 6. In the withdrawal form, paste the Binance address you copied, choose the amount, and confirm the transaction. Bonus tip: always double-check the network type, like TRC20 or ERC20 on both Binance and Pocket Option. A mismatch here can lead to lost funds with no recovery. And that's how you safely withdraw money from Pocket Option to Binance. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor. We're here to help you master all your digital money moves. See you next time!